Welcome friends. So today our topic is related to the solution of chapter chemical kinetic chemical reaction and equations. So you can see here question number first. Why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before the burning in air? तो आंसर देख लेते हैं. You can see here magnesium very highly reactive metals. When stored, it reacts with oxygen to form a layer of magnesium oxide on its surface. So the layer of magnesium oxide is quite stable and prevent further reaction of the magnesium with oxygen. The magnesium ribbon is cleaned by sandpaper to remove this layer so that the underlying metal can be exposed in air. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि उसको घिस करके रब करके हम उसको स्मूथ उसकी चिकनी लेयर बना सकते हैं. इसके बेस पर क्या होगा, उससे रिएक्शन हो जाएंगे. तो रीज़न यही है. नेक्स्ट बात कर लेते हैं. राइट द बैलेंस इक्वेशन फॉर द फॉलोइंग chemical reactions: hydrogen plus chlorine at hydrogen chloride. तो with the help of the atomic formula और molecular formula हम लिख लेते हैं. हाइड्रोजन के लिए H2, क्लोरीन के लिए Cl2, HCl hydrochloric acid is known as the HCl. Same all example are as the above we solved. नेक्स्ट बात कर लेते हैं. राइट द बैलेंस केमिकल इक्वेशन विद द स्टेट सिंबल फॉर द फॉलोइंग रिएक्शन: सोडियम solution of barium chloride and sodium sulfate in water react to give the insoluble barium sulfate and the solution of the sodium chloride. तो सेम यहाँ पर देख लेते हैं क्या है. द फॉर्मूला ऑफ बेरियम क्लोराइड इज BaCl2 and Na2SO4 sodium sulfate, PSO4 barium sulfate and NaCl. With the help of the given formula, atom or molecular formula or salt formula, we can easily write down the equation, chemical equation. Next बात कर लेते हैं क्वेश्चन की. You know well, a solution of a substance X is used for whitewash. Name the substance X and write the symbol. वाइट वॉश के लिए हम पेंट के लिए क्या यूज़ करते हैं? वी नो वेरी वेल अबाउट दैट. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड क्विक लाइम व्हेन रिएक्ट विद वाटर इट गिव अस सेक्ट लाइम. सेक्ट लाइम मीन्स दैट कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, और वी यूज़ कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड फॉर वाइट वॉश पर्पस. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं क्वेश्चन फटाफट हमारे साथ. व्हाई इज द अमाउंट ऑफ gas collected in one of the test tube in activity 1.7 double of the amount collected in the other. Name the gas. उस गैस का नाम हमें बताना है क्या होगा. तो you can see here with the help of the book activity you can easily find out the proper question or answer, but you can also see here water H2 contain two parts of the hydrogen and one part of the oxygen. The formula of water is H2O. Therefore, the amount of hydrogen and oxygen produced during the electrolysis of water is ratio 2:1. You can see here again, during electrolysis, since hydrogen goes of the one test tube and oxygen goes to the another test tube. पीछे बढ़ता है ये एक्टिविटी में आप देख सकते हैं इसलिए कि इसमें क्या था कि एक इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस प्रोसेस था, उसमें दो हमने क्या किए थे, इस तरह से इलेक्ट्रोड एडजस्ट किए थे. कार्बन इलेक्ट्रोड भी ऑलरेडी, कार्बन इलेक्ट्रोड कैथोड और एनोड. यहाँ पर जो गैस कलेक्ट हुई थी वो हमारी कौन सी गैस थी? अब ऑक्सीजन गैस, और फ्रॉम दैट साइड हाइड्रोजन गैस. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं अदर क्वेश्चन. व्हाई डज द कलर ऑफ द कॉपर सल्फेट change when iron nail is dipped in it? You know very well, this is the example of the displacement series. Highly reactive metal Fe is the highly reactive, displaced to the copper sulfate and form the FeSO4 or copper. With the help of this we obtain copper change, blue color change into the greenish, faded greenish color. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं. Give an example of the double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction means both the atom, or we can say that metal, sodium and calcium are the metal, and they can exchange sodium exchange to the calcium, and calcium exchange from the sodium with the chlorine as well as the carbonate. You can also see here the sodium carbonate with calcium chloride to form a calcium carbonate and sodium carbonate. एक दूसरे के आयन हमारे क्या होंगे, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. You can see here again, in this reaction sodium carbonate and calcium carbonate exchange ion to form a two new compound, hence this is known as the double displacement reaction. Next ये देख लेते हैं, identify the substance that oxidized and the substance that reduced. Oxidized means that addition of oxygen. You can see here sodium to work as a oxidized, and copper oxide convert into the copper single copper solid state में, then it is the reduced. Example of the reduced. Next देख लेते हैं, copper oxide is reduced and copper while hydrogen H2 gas get oxidized, water H2. Next देख लेते हैं, next पेज पे you can see here the example. Next बात कर लेते हैं, which of the statement above the reaction below are correct. Correct. Lead oxide react with carbon plus form the lead plus CO2. Lead is gated on the basis of the oxidation and reduction process. Addition of oxygen is known as oxidation, and removal of oxygen is known as the reduction. So oxidizing and reducing, lead is getting reduced and carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. Carbon is getting oxidized and lead is oxide. So the correct answer is, you can see here, with the help of the reaction method, A and B are the correct option. Next example, how can you easily find out the given equation. इसमें किसका ऑक्सीडेशन होता है, क्या है, डिस्प्लेस होता है, नहीं होता, क्या है. Now the above chemical reaction is the example of the given reaction is the example of the displacement reaction, because Fe is displaced by the aluminum from the Al2O3 and Fe is separated from here. So you know highly reactive metal displaced to the lower reactive metal. Next देख लेते हैं, what happen when the dilute acid is added to the iron nail. When metal reacts with, you know very well, when metal reacts with hydrogen or any salt, it gives us hydrogen and salt. So you can easily know about the answer. Correct answer is hydrogen gas is released, H2 gas is released. Now देख लेते हैं, what is the balance chemical equation. Why should chemical equation be balanced? You know very well, according to the law of conservation of mass, a reaction which has the equal number of atom of all atom on the both side chemical equation is called the balanced chemical equation. It follows the law of conservation of mass, because we can say neither be created nor be destroyed. Next देख लेते हैं question. Translate the following statement into the chemical equation and then balance them. So hydrogen gas combined with nitrogen to form the ammonia. Hydrogen H2 plus react with combined with nitrogen N2 gas form the NH3 ammonia. It is the Haber process. Fe catalyst we use here, and all same reactions are here. With the help of their formulas, we can easily balance these given chemical reactions. Next, balance the following examples. You can easily, with the help of the hit and trial method, you easily balance all the equations. From here, in the case, you can see here, these are the reactant and these are the product. Reactant atom or product atom must be equal in both sides for the balancing of the chemical equation. Next देख लेते हैं, write the balanced chemical equation of the following. Same process you can apply here for balancing. Next question देख लेते हैं, write the balanced chemical equation for the following. Identify the type of the reaction. First of all balance करना है, और type of reaction you know very well, combination, decomposition, displacement and double displacement. Suppose that we are obtaining here, it is the example of the double displacement reaction. Potassium bromide convert into the potassium iodide, and barium iodide convert into the barium bromide. So that's why with the help of these ion exchange of the ions, we can say that is the example of the double displacement reaction. Next देख लेते हैं. You can see here, why does one means by the exothermic and endothermic reaction? Give example. मिक्सचर ऑफ सोडियम एंड क्लोरीन टू यील्ड ए टेबल. देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर एनर्जी रिलीज हो रही है, दैट इज द एग्जाम्पल. एडिशन में शो कर रहे हैं, इट इज एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. तो केमिकल रिएक्शन दैट रिलीज एनर्जी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हीट, लाइट और साउंड आर कॉल्ड द एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. नेक्स्ट जस्ट अपोजिट देख लेते हैं इसका क्या होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी ऑल्सो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द प्रोसेस ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस, प्लांट use the energy from the sun to convert the carbon dioxide and water into the glucose and oxygen. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, ये भी सेम रिएक्शन है हमारा किसका. देयर इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द now reaction that absorb or require energy in order to produce called the endothermic reaction. It is the example of the endothermic reaction. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज द एक्सोथर्मिक एंड सेकंड इज द एंडोथर्मिक एग्जाम्पल. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं, व्हाई इज द रेस्पिरेशन कंसिडर्ड एज द एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. द एनर्जी इज रिक्वायर्ड टू सपोर्ट लाइफ एनर्जी इन आवर बॉडी इज ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम द फूड वी ईट. ड्यूरिंग द डाइजेशन large molecules of the food broken down into the simple substance such as glucose combine with oxygen in cell and provide energy. The special name of the combustion reaction is respiration reaction, since we can say the energy released in the whole process, and it is the example of the exothermic reaction. Next देख लेते हैं, why are decomposition reaction called the opposite of the combination reaction. You can see here in the decomposition reaction it is just reverse. When only single product, then we got, when only single product we got, then we can say it is the example of combination, but it just opposite of the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction means that when one reactant or single substance divide into two or more and give us two or more product, then we can say it is the example of the decomposition reaction. But combination we obtain only the single product. Next देखते हैं, write one equation for each of the decomposition reaction where energy is supplied in the form of the heat and light. That is the example of the thermal decomposition. You can see here thermal decomposition. Next देख लेते हैं, FeSO4 react with in the presence of the heat, it form Fe2O3, SO2 and SO3. It is also an example of the double displacement reaction. And you can see here exchange of the decomposition. It is example of the decomposition. Single product, so single reactant give us the two or more product. Next लिखते हैं decomposition reaction. Same reaction as the decomposition, divide into the two or more product, a single reactant, then it is also example of decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition. Next देख लेते हैं, what is the difference between displacement and double displacement. You know easily, displacement high reactive metal displaced to the other. देख ले A ऐड हो जाता है हमारा यहाँ पर X के साथ में और B X के साथ में जो था. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं displacement, double displacement. You know all the example of these or the. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं very important question, what do you mean by the precipitation reaction? Explain by the giving example. Precipitation reaction in which insoluble solid called precipitated form is called a precipitation reaction. For example देख लेते हैं यहाँ पे Na2CO3 plus CaCl2 form CaCO3 plus NaCl. Sodium carbonate and calcium chloride and calcium carbonate and sodium chloride. In this reaction, calcium carbonate is obtained as the precipitate, hence it is a precipitation reaction. Precipitate means that when we start the filter of a given any, सपोज दैट हमारे टेस्ट ट्यूब में कोई चीज़ है जिसको एक्सपेरिमेंट करने पे हम यहाँ पे सॉल्यूशन तैयार किया है हमने और उसको हम फिल्टर करना चाहते हैं, तो फिल्टर करने के बाद जो हमारा फिल्टर नीचे की तरफ हमारा बीकर में रह जाता है दैट इज़ नोन एज द फिल्ट्रेट, बट जो हमारा उसके ऊपर रहता है फिल्टर पेपर में रह जाता है दैट इज़ नोन एज द प्रेसिपिटेट. इन दिस रिएक्शन बेरियम सल्फेट BSO4 is obtained as a precipitate. Next देख लेते हैं. Explain the following in term of the gain or of loss of oxygen with the two example. Oxidation and reduction. Addition of oxygen is known as the oxidation and removal of hydrogen is also known as the oxidation. Next देख लेते हैं. Reduction is just opposite example of the oxidation, removal of oxygen. So with the help of the addition and removal of oxygen and hydrogen we easily identify the given examples. Next देख लेते हैं. Question number 17. A shiny brown color compound X on heating in air become black in color. Name the element X and the black color compound are formed. तो यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं. ब्लैक कलर कंपाउंड शाइनी ब्राउन कलर का कॉपर होता है, ऑक्सीजन के साथ रिएक्ट करता है, हीट करेगा तो ब्लैक कलर का कॉपर ऑक्साइड बनाएगा. व्हाई डू वी अप्लाई पेंट और आयरन आर्टिकल? देखिए, फॉर रस्टिंग, टू प्रिवेंट देम फ्रॉम रस्टिंग, दैट्स वाई वी पेंट ऑफ आयरन आर्टिकल. नेक्स्ट बात कर लेते हैं क्वेश्चन की. Oil and fat contain food item are flushed with nitrogen. Why? Nitrogen is inert gases and do not easily react. On the other hand, oxygen react with food substance and make them rancid. Thus, the bags used in the packaging food item are flushed with nitrogen gas to remove oxygen inside the packet. When oxygen is not present inside the packet, density of oil and fat contained food item is avoided. तो कह सकते हैं कि इसीलिए हम ऑक्सीजन गैस होगी तो रिएक्शन हो जाएगा और नाइट्रोजन होगी तो रिएक्शन नहीं होगा, और इसलिए हमारा वो जो फूड आइटम्स उस पैकेट के अंदर होते हैं वो हमारे प्रिजर्व रहेंगे, सही रहेंगे, बेकार नहीं होंगे. नेक्स्ट देख लेते हैं क्वेश्चन. एक्सप्लेन द फॉलोइंग टर्म विद एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ईच. Corrosion and rancidity. Corrosion defined as the process where metal deteriorate as a result of chemical reaction with air, moisture, chemical etc. तो देख लेते हैं यहाँ पर क्या होता है कि Fe react with oxygen form Fe2O3 into NH2O hydrated. That is the example of rust. Next देख लेते हैं. This hydrated iron oxide is rust. Next देख लेते हैं rancidity. The process of oxidation of fat and oil that can be easily noticed by the change in taste and smell is known as the rancidity. For example, these taste and smell of the butter change when kept for long. Rancidity can be avoided by storing food in air-tightly container, storing food in refrigerators, adding antioxidant, storing food in an environment of oxygen. With the help of these examples, we solve all the problems. Next, thanks for watching us.